Google's Genie AI model, developed by DeepMind, creates interactive 2D game environments from text or image inputs. DeepMind's innovative creation. Trained on 200,000 hours of gameplay, Genie can generate basic platformer-style games in real time. Trained on extensive gameplay, while its output is promising, it currently runs at a sluggish 1 frame per second. Real-time platformer generation. Previous models learned actions solely from video footage, paving the way for more accessible game creation. Current performance limitations. Although not slated for public release, Genie could democratize game design, particularly for children and creative individuals. Unique learning approach. Its potential to enhance existing game development processes is recognized, hinting at future industry applications. Watch this space for the latest updates in the world of AI. Looking for a technology partner? Contact us today, sales@algoworks.com.